In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email on your Nord account via a support request. If you've updated your primary inbox or want to move your NordVPN subscription to a different address, this simple process will help you do it securely. We'll start by opening the official email change request form. Head to the NordVPN support pages and look for the Nord account email change request form, or go directly to support.nordvpn.com. Make sure you're on the official site before entering any information. On the form, begin with your account details. In the current email field, type the email you currently use to sign into your Nord account. In the desired email field, enter the new address you want to switch to. Take a moment to double-check spelling on both. Typos are the most common cause of delays. There's also an optional contact email. This can be a different address where support can reach you during the change. Use it if you prefer updates in another inbox or if you have limited access to the current one. Next, you'll verify ownership of the account using details from a past purchase. This is a security step to protect your subscription. Important, do not use your most recent purchase. Choose any earlier transaction, provide the amount you paid, the payment method you used, such as PayPal or a credit card, and the date of that purchase. If you're unsure, check your old receipts or your bank or PayPal history for an older NordVPN charge, then copy the details exactly as they appear there. When everything looks correct, scroll down and click Submit. Before you do, it's worth one last review to ensure the new email is typed correctly and the payment information matches your earlier transaction. A clean, accurate submission helps support process your request faster. After submission, all that's left is to wait for confirmation. The NordVPN support team will review your information and contact you at the email addresses you provided to confirm the change and complete the process. Keep an eye on your inboxes, including spam or junk folders, in case their message gets filtered. If they need anything else, they'll let you know. Remember, you never need to share your passwords. The purchase details are enough for verification. That's it. You've learned how to request an email change for your Nord account from start to finish. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be set up on your new email in no time.